So today I'm about to go meet my buddy Skyline Trini, and we're gonna ride down to the beach and do a photo shoot with our cars. But the original plan today was to put the R6 style grill on my car, but something happened and that got postponed until tomorrow. So there'll be a video on that tomorrow or the next day. But today we're gonna go meet him, drive down to the beach, take some pictures, maybe some rollers, and yeah. So the plan is we are going to drive over to his house. He needs his car washed, so we're gonna help him wash his car. And then we're gonna drive over to the beach, probably get some rollers. We've got my camera here, Sony A6000, and probably take some pictures and yeah, go on like a little night drive and just go from there. Car sounds so good. All that's done to it is an intake, which that's all you really need to make it sound like that. I would like to get I don't know what exhaust. I've heard the AWE touring exhausts are pretty good, so I might save up for that. I don't really know if I would ever do a muffler delete or anything because it will just sound like really ricey and stuff. And I don't know if that's the same with the AWE exhaust, but I've heard that you can do like test pipes and all that stuff to make it sound like better. But I'm broke right now, so first I need to work and save up money. Bro's making YouTube as well. Oh, what's up? Oh, who is this? What's up?
What's up? What's up?
So what's the plan?
Yeah, the plan is
to wash it.
We wash the car because it's dirty right now. It's mad dirty.
Wait, what'd you say?
No, don't worry about that.
Oh, he said it's fast.
Yeah, nice.
Not even tuned. We have a Sil-Eighty. This is his car. I think he just lowered the front a little bit more. Nice as hell. Then they just imported this Altezza, which it's for sale. I'll put the Instagram somewhere on the screen. And the Type X. I don't know if that's for sale anymore. I'll ask him. But we're gonna wash this and then we're gonna head over to the beach and do whatever. I don't even know what we're doing, but I'll figure it out. So we're about to wash it. He put this ceramic stuff on it, which I'm gonna figure out what that is, but it's supposed to make the water bead off, probably like wax. But we have everything set up. Now we just have to wash it. Go ahead, spray it on. Okay, not everything. Spray the car. Good boy. Bro's putting me to work. The water already beads off pretty nice.
Yeah.
What'd you use before?
Same thing.
Oh, same thing?
Yeah,
I need that. It's pretty good. We ran out of soap, so he's like rushing through it right now. We have like very little to no soap left.
Spray down. Pull out the wheel cleaner.
We're pretty much done washing it. We've washed it, we've dried it. There's still mad water spots on it. Yeah, you can definitely see it. Yeah, you can see it kind of if you really look. Like right there.
All I see is clouds, man. All I see is clouds. I don't see no water spots. I don't see no water spots.
Excuses. But from far, it looks clean. Can't tell at all. So now we're gonna put everything away and then go from there. All right, we pretty much just finished wiping it down. The engine, the outside, inside, probably the cleanest inside. I think it's the 90s. What is it? What year is this?
98.
98, yeah, 90s. And then you have the what? DET?
DE, I'm not turbo.
DE, no, DE. Okay, yeah, DE. I forgot. DE. The Type X that has a DET. This is DE. He wants the turbo, but I don't know what he's gonna do. Once again, another change of plans. Now I'm taking my car because instead of the beach, we're going down to, we're gonna go find a parking garage and some other places that we could probably take videos and stuff, pictures of the car. But yeah. We're cruising, look what pull up next to us. This old Chevy truck, old Silverado. I think it was nice. Bro is just riding him. Dang, this Charger's cruising. I just slow down a bit. I need to let Richie catch up. Oh, he's braking. I'm gonna get over and wait for my friend. I don't know where. Oh, he's back. He's back there. I don't know if you can even see him, but dang, this guy's like riding people. I don't know what he's doing. I think I see a purple Urus up here. It's a, yep, a purple Urus. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's across the road. Dang, that's nice. That's definitely wrapped too. There's no way that's normal. But I'm gonna call Richie now because I have no clue where he is. So I'll see you in a minute. This thing sounds so good. All right, we're pulling in. I have no clue where he parked. Oh, he's over there. Yeah, and he's recording. Oh my gosh, he definitely just got that. Yeah, he's laughing. All right. I thought he parked in the back. But no, he's right here. All right, now I'm gonna back in. He's definitely like, what the hell are you doing? I thought you were parked in the back.
No, what was that over there, bro?
I thought you were parked in the back, over there.
No, bro.
I was like, oh shoot, he parked in the back, and then you were parked behind the car, and then I went forward, and I'm like,
you can't even see my car.
So our new plan, since we're not going to the beach, is we're gonna run over to AutoZone or somewhere, and we're gonna pick up some coolant for my car because my car is it's not low on coolant, but it's lower than I would like. It's at like the minimum line, so I'm just gonna top that off. Put the DRLs on. Once we put the grill on, it's gonna be all black and honeycomb, so it'll be different than the lines in silver. What? Huh? What? What is what? What is what? What is?
Bro, look. Bro, look.
I'm looking.
Oh!
So we didn't end up getting any coolant because they didn't have it, but we spent a little bit of time in there talking to this worker there. He was really chill. We were just talking about cars and like a bunch of people that we all knew. But now we're gonna head off to a parking garage. That thing looks sick, but yeah. Behind us there's a GT500. See if I can get him to come past us. supercharger is gonna sound insane if I can get it to. Ready? Oh, sounds insane. Got my camera. Got the 2 cars lined up. I have no clue how we're gonna like shoot, but we've got a McLaren here. Looks like it's wrapped in some orange, and another McLaren here. I believe that's a 720S. Here we've got a F82 and 4. I have no clue what I'm watching right now, bro. This person could not turn into this very simple space. Nice little M8 right there. Man, this place is good for car spotting. Nice M8. I'm being blinded. My little quattro lights. So the plan is we're gonna stay parked there, and then we're gonna have Richie drive me to wherever we're going, because I have no clue where we're going. And there's no parking anywhere, so I'm being blinded by his headlights right now. More speed bumps. Are we gonna scrape? Not even where you cannot see any. We're straight, we're straight.
Can you even see me?
Are you sure you're straight?
Yeah, but...
Are you sure?
Okay, alright, buddy. I stole Nick's GoPro. It's currently in the restroom after we searched for like, I don't know, like 20 minutes for parking, and we found absolutely nothing. So we're waiting in the parking lot here for Princess Nick to come back from the restroom, and then we will finish taking photos.
One McLaren, 2 McLaren, Corvette.
0 Sil-Eighties, except for mine. It's 0 Sil-Eighties. Is this a one-way? Oh, this is a one-way. Where does it say that though? I don't think it says that anywhere. Oh well, I guess I'm just not a good driver, guys.
We know.
I'm just a bad driver.
You can't go down that way. Do we have trouble parallel parking?
Yeah, we did.
A little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
This spot is perfect though.
Bro, this is bad.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, this is bad.
The front, the back. Yeah, I think you had a lot more room than you thought. Here, I got you all spot here. All right, now back up a little. You're good right there, yeah. These yellow lights are insane. Those things are so nice.
Oh, really?
Who took the video? What's my name? What is going on? We have to go where?
Let's go to the toy store.
The toy store for your baby?
I see cars. I see cars. I see cars.
Someone sees cars and wants to go in the kid toy store. Oh, it's closed. No cars for you. Is this the RS3? I think so. Nice RS3 right here. Now we're gonna go to Chipotle after bro drops me off in my car. And hopefully I don't get robbed right now.
You gotta get it wrong.
There's this guy like standing like right by my car. But we're good. Got my quattro lights. Those are like $12. But got the most stacked bowl I've ever gotten from Chipotle, but me and Rishi are splitting now. So I'm gonna go home, edit the video, edit the pictures, and I'm gonna see if the audio is good on my normal camera, so that if tomorrow when I put the grill on, I'll use the other camera because it's way better. But I'll see you. One last pull, because why not? But yeah, that's how I'm gonna end the video. I'll put my grill on tomorrow. I don't know if this will be posted tonight or tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get it for tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna put my grill on tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to use my other camera. It depends if my mic is good or not. If not, I'm just gonna buy another one. But yeah, I'll see you when I put my grill on.